Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vidya and I create beauty and lifestyle related videos. So today we are here for a very exciting new launch and I am super duper excited about this. So your girl has got a Lakme PR and this is how it looks like. So I have got a set of Lakme lip glosses. I will show it to you. So this is Lakme Spotlight Ready Lip Glosses and there are 8 shades in this one. This is how it looks like. I'll just show you. So these are the 8 beautiful shades of this lip glosses and today I'm gonna review it. I just like to put a disclaimer over here. Even though Lakme has sent it to me, but I am not abide to follow any script or say something nice about it. I will say whatever I feel like. So I have given that freedom and I'm really happy about that. I was not even asked to make a video about it, but I just thought that there is a new product in the market and I should surely go ahead and give you a fair review about it. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, I would like to say the lip gloss that I am wearing currently is one of these. The shade that I am wearing is called Creme Caramel. You can see how beautiful it looks. It looks wonderful. Also, I would like to say that I do have pigmented lips. So I have a lot of pigmentations on my lips. So my lips are basically black. So what I did was I just put on a foundation to cancel the natural pigmentation and show the true colors to you. So I hope that I would do justice with this and we will start with the review now. So firstly, there are 8 shades in this range and this retails for 675 or something. So this beautiful 8 shades. Firstly, I'm very happy with the shade range. The shade range is beautiful. The shade range is versatile. They have reds, they have pinks, they have purples, and they do have nudes, which I am very happy about. It shows the diversity. Otherwise, it gets very monotonous कि सिर्फ reds ही है, सिर्फ pinks है, सिर्फ purples है. I don't like that. So the 8 shade range is very beautiful. I wish they had more shade. Like सबको सब कुछ नहीं सूट करता. That is what I feel. But it is a lip gloss and you can also use it as a lipstick topper just to make your lips shine. It looks beautiful. So I am happy with the shade range. The next thing is price point. The product retails for 651 for one lip gloss and the product that we get is 4 grams of product. According to me, it's tad bit pricey. इतना ज़्यादा प्राइस होना like it was not fair to be very frank. Lip gloss के लिए 675 I don't think that falls under the affordable category and Lakme is mostly known for a very affordable brand, but we do have to keep this in mind that this is the Lakme Absolute range and Absolute range is much higher than the others. So if you want a good lip gloss and you desperately need it and if you want to invest it, you can definitely invest in this one. 675 is a tad bit pricey, but you can work with it. That is not like super pricey. It is like okay, mid range ka hai. So if you want and you want to try this, you can definitely go ahead with this. And 4 grams of product is a decent amount. सब lip glosses इतने ही होते हैं. So longevity wise, I think this is a very good gloss, but as usual glosses are not that like you have to reapply your glosses because वो ज़्यादा time तक नहीं रहते. If you have something, if you have food and everything, it will disappear. Generally glosses don't last that long and I think कि ऐसा expectation रखना that it would last very long time would not be fair to this product. So I have not had any product having this gloss on, so I don't know कि कितने जल्दी उड़ जाएगा, but I am pretty sure कि glosses don't stay that well. Also, so you can use it as a lip topper, so you can apply any lipstick of your choice and just apply this as a lip topper. Even if the gloss has worn off, your lipstick will be there and it will keep your like lips hydrated, so that is a very good thing. I will now go ahead and show you the swatches of this beautiful 8 Lakme lipsticks. We'll then come back and decide how it goes, what are the pros and the cons. have completed the swatches of all these beautiful 8 shades of the Lakme lip glosses, and I must say that what I feel about them is the darker colors are much more pigmented than the lighter colors. This is also because I have very pigmented lips, and that is the reason I must be feeling this. If you have pink lips and you go with the lighter glosses, it would actually work great for you. Now is the time for the pros and the cons. So I'll list all the pros and list all the cons, and you can decide whatever you like. The color range is beautiful, that is the first pro. The colors are quite pigmented, that is the second pro. It doesn't feel much sticky, it feels like a normal gloss. So if you have tried Fenty lip gloss, the formulation is a tad bit similar to that, so it doesn't feel sticky, the third pro. And I think the packaging is beautiful. So these are the 4 pros that I can find for this lip gloss. Now we'll move ahead to the con. So the first con that I feel that it is too pricey. 675 is not the price point I would like to pay for a gloss. And the second thing is, I think that the lighter shades are a tad bit less pigmented. That is what I feel. So 2 cons and 4 pros, you can choose which one you want to go to. You can try one and then order for more if you want to. So this was my review on the Lakme Spotlight lip glosses. If you ask me if I would go ahead and buy it, I would definitely go ahead and buy one shade. That is the last shade. That is my favorite one. That is the Plum Magic. I have a Lakme Forever Matte lipstick in this similar shade, which is Wine Glow, and I quite love it. So if you ask me, I'll surely go ahead and buy this Plum Magic shade. It looks so beautiful. I have it on my lips and it looks so beautiful with my complexion. It just enhances my complexion like anything. That is all for today. If you like this video, please like, comment and share this. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because that would actually mean the world to me. And until next time, love, bye bye.